Welcome to the future of luxury travel. What you see before you is not just a motorhome, but a three-story mansion on wheels, designed to bring you the epitome of sophistication and elegance while on the road. This sleek beauty, with its glossy black glass exterior and polished white chrome trim, isn't just built for driving, it's a rolling work of art. The golden ambient glow around the base and along the edges adds a touch of opulence, making it feel alive as it glides down the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by the living lounge. The panoramic black glass windows wrap around the space, offering a perfect view of the world outside. Modular sofas in black leather and white chrome trim invite you to sink in and relax, while a sleek glass coffee table sits at the center. The room is illuminated by golden LED strips tracing the ceiling and floor edges, giving it a futuristic, warm glow. A massive ultra-thin OLED screen built seamlessly into the wall transforms this space into a home theater, combining luxury and entertainment. Moving on, the kitchen is designed to perfection. The space might be compact, but every detail reflects efficiency without compromising style. Black glossy cabinetry and white chrome accents house integrated appliances, while golden under-cabinet lighting enhances the polished black granite countertops. Opposite the cooking area, a two-seat dining nook provides the perfect spot to enjoy meals, offering spectacular views through the panoramic windows. Then there's the bedroom suite, a haven of tranquility. The floating bed, wrapped in white leather with black trims, seems to hover above the floor, glowing softly with golden light beneath it. The walls are a combination of glossy black panels and matte white chrome curves, hiding hidden storage and adding to the sleek, modern feel. The ceiling, alive with fiber optic starlights, creates a serene atmosphere perfect for winding down after a day of adventure. Next up, the bathroom. Styled with black stone and white chrome, this compact space is nothing short of a spa retreat. The curved glass shower pod features rainfall settings, while the black stone vanity with a white counter and underlit mirror completes the high-end feel. The entire bathroom glows with golden lighting, making every detail shine. For moments of pure relaxation, step out onto the balcony. The polished black stone floor and seamless glass railings offer a breathtaking view, whether you're enjoying a sunrise or a sunset. Sleek black and white lounge chairs face outward, giving you a luxurious space to unwind while surrounded by nature. And for the ultimate luxury experience, the indoor pool awaits. Surrounded by black stone and chrome accents, the pool glows with underwater golden lights and offers the perfect escape, even on the road. It's a private oasis, combining beauty and tranquility, tucked away inside this futuristic motorhome. The cockpit of this motorhome is just as impressive. The sleek, black leather captain's chairs with white chrome trim sit before a sweeping panoramic smart glass windshield. The digital dashboard, bathed in golden light, gives you all the control you need while adding a touch of high-tech luxury. It's more than just a driving station, it's your command center in this rolling masterpiece. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury travel. Every inch is meticulously designed to provide comfort, style, and sophistication while on the move. Whether you're traveling across the country or just escaping for the weekend, this futuristic mansion on wheels will change the way you experience the world. Would you live in a motorhome like this? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge luxury designs.